ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ Boye best, ẹ bá mi tag ẹ sí video yìí. Help me tag him to this video. All his fans, his friends, well wishers, everybody tó bá ti mọ̀ wherever you are, ẹ jẹ́ kó rí video yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kíákíá ẹ má bá mi share. Now, do you know what this guy did? Ṣé mọ̀ pé for more than 5-6 years since he's been using my song indiscriminately, unauthorized. All these years, tí mi ò sọ̀rọ̀. You know, and then anyway, oni kọ́kọ́ ló ń kọ́ṣá, but tí ẹ̀yẹn pọ̀, ó ti pọ̀ jù. Wọ́n ní díẹ̀, àbí wọ́n máa sọ díẹ̀ tó nínú nǹkan ní nǹkan, ìwọ̀nba lèèyàn ń lo nǹkan ní nǹkan mọ́. Tó bá ti pọ̀ jù, ó ti di nǹkan míì. You know, o lè lo anywhere, orin yẹn ṣáà ló máa ṣáà lọ mọ́ ẹnu láti àárọ̀ dalẹ́. You know, anyway, that's not where I'm going. Ìyẹn wà ń bẹ̀ mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ láti joy for some reasons tí mo máa mẹ́nubà nísìn. I think I owe some people some explanation lórí reason tí mi ṣe tí sọ̀rọ̀ all this while. Like I said, lots of people ló ń kọrin, you know, àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ máa ń kọrin ní olórin náà, you know, in a way because our corporate space is not matured yet, so a máa manage àwọn nǹkan yẹn, you know, but tó bá ti di pé ó ti pọ̀ jù táṣejù bá ti wọ̀ ó ti di problem, you know, but I have not talked about it anyway. We are still coming to that. Now, nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ ìṣe nísìn tí mo rí lórí Instagram òun ni pé ó fẹ́ ṣe album launch. Ó dẹ̀ mú orin yẹn, orin tó plagiarize, orin mi tó kọ unauthorized video ẹ̀, ibi tó ti ń kọrin yẹn, ó record video yẹn, ó perform orin yẹn, face ẹ̀ ló wà ń bẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ fi advertise album launch lórí page ẹ̀. Ó fẹ́ ṣe album launch, ìyẹn ló wá fi advertise ẹ̀, video ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀, voice ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀, everything wà ń bẹ̀. Now, ó fẹ́ ṣe album launch, ó wá fi orin tó plagiarize with your own face, with your own video, ó fi advertise ẹ̀. What impression are you trying to sell out to people? What impression? Ṣé o fẹ́ orin yẹn sìn, o fẹ́ release ẹ̀ mọ́ àwọn tracks tó wà nínú album tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ release, o fẹ́ fi orin yẹn sára àwọn tracks èyí tó tún kọ tó remix unauthorized, without permission, without any license whatever. You want to put it in the same in that album and release it. Is that what you are trying to do? I just hope that is not what you are trying to do. I just hope so. Ẹ sọ fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀, he dares not do that. You know, so because I don't know the reason why you can't sọ pé tèmi ló lò pé version tí mo kọ ló wá lò nsìn. A sọ pé okay, you know, àwọn provisions yẹn wà lórí àwọn social media kìíní, ẹ lè lo orin yẹn nìkan for 1 or 2 things, bóyá bí 1 minute, ó ní limitations, ó ní invitation, ó ní boundaries that you don't pass. Tó bá jẹ́ yẹn ló ṣì fi ṣe, a lè sọ pé okay, maybe a lè sọ pé okay, ó tún help láti advertise ẹ ni. You see, but when people do things with evil intention, you know that this person does not wish you well. You see, the intention is not right. So can't be tèmi ló lò, a sọ pé okay, o advertise it or something, you know, we can let it go. Ìyẹn tí ẹ kọ mọ́ àwọn ẹ máa ṣe dáadáa, so maybe no big deal sha. We'll be looking into that later. But you use your own to plagiarize. What is wrong with you now? Why are you behaving like this? So the reason why I've kept quiet all this while, over these many years, like some people have, you know, challenged me, why am I not talking? It's because of my health challenge. I have certain health challenges. Tó jẹ́ pé mi ò fẹ́ add ọ̀rọ̀ BP mọ́. I don't want to tense myself up as much as possible. Tó bá máa jẹ́ kí n wà agitated, I want to avoid it, you know, until when my health gets better anyway. You know, so I'm taking my time. I try to take things cool as much as possible, you know, and then it can never be too late. The internet doesn't forget. We will still, all the records will be there. If you want to pursue it anytime, it will be there for you to pursue. So I was never in a rush about it. That's the reason. So if you manage, I need to, you know, take my time, you know. So but these people, I don't know why. So Ejo, this is what this guy did. Ejo koma mo, elo sọ fún, please. Mata yẹn ṣì wà nílẹ̀, gbogbo bó ṣe ń lò láti jọ ètò ń lórí mi indiscriminately, unauthorized, without any license, without any permission from anybody. Ó ṣì wà nílẹ̀ àti visit, like I said, you know. So because I kept quiet all this while, for reasons that I've said and other reasons too anyway, tí mo tún fi tí mo lè má lè mẹ́nu bà nísìn. You think I'm a fool? What is wrong with you? O wa lọ fi so tó bá invite ẹ sí radio program sí kó wá ṣe interview orin tó fi mọ̀ ẹ́ nìyẹn àbí wọ́n bá béèrè question lọ tó bá béèrè question lọ ẹ̀ ń pa orin yẹn kí ló fẹ́ sọ ń bẹ̀? What do you want to tell them? Tó bá béèrè pé báwo ló yẹ ṣe wá báwo ló ṣe gba inspiration ni, because they are going to ask you those questions. What are you going to say? You will perform my song, you will perform it word for word to the last detail. You will record it, you post it on your page, you put your name there, you will never acknowledge me. You sang it for 5-6 years. Only time you fi mọ̀ ẹ́ nìyẹn. That was the song tó kọ tí gbogbo èèyàn fi mọ̀ ẹ́. You see, creating impressions bíi pé wọ́n lo ní orin yẹn, and you never put a call through to me once, just courtesy call or some kind of, just to work out some familiarity. You never did that for once. Now you are taking it to the peak, to an unimaginable peak. So o fẹ́ release album ẹ àbí o wá lọ fi orin mi advertise album tó fẹ́ release. It is looking like one of the tracks in that song is a remixed version of that my song that you have done tó fẹ́ release. That's the way it's looking. That's what it's looking like, and I'm just hoping it's not that. I'm hoping so. So that's why I'm doing this video, so that you can begin to hear now. You see, because it's òṣìṣẹ́ wà nílẹ̀ that we are visiting this anyway, but not now. When the time is right, we will do that. But we have a shele more again. Where do you people see all these gods? Tó bá níwèé o lè pa mí nìyẹn now. You can kill me because bó ṣe ń pààyàn jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Because you don't have any well wishes for me. You don't have any good intentions about me. Ní good motives kankan. If you could have your way to kill me and then claim that song for yourself, you will do it.